Hello everyone, Esty Bestie here. I am a licensed esthetician and I am here today to share some products that are going to help the mamas to be. Because if you're a mama to be, you know that with pregnancy comes with a lot of symptoms. And one of the symptoms with pregnancy is skin issues. So these are 3 of Banish products that I picked as a licensed skincare professional and acne sufferer that can help you manage these pregnancy symptoms and help your skin get that pregnancy glow. So the first product we're going to talk about today, if you are dealing with breakouts, the Fighter Gel can work really well for you. This is a very hydrating acne treatment and it's not going to be over drying to your skin. Now, a lot of products that have salicylic acid in it should be avoided. Always talk to your doctor about it first. But usually most doctors recommend not using salicylic acid products or salicylic acid based products. So this is a non-salicylic acid based treatment that you can use instead. So this can still fight your breakouts. It's going to be hydrating to your skin because it has aloe in it and it can be really great for you. So this is a very lightweight texture. If you have oily skin, you'll enjoy it a lot. And if you have combination or dry skin, you'd still enjoy it as well. It's great for all skin types. Another product that's great for women who are dealing with any type of dryness in their skin is the vitamin C cream. This is a very cream-like moisturizer, but it doesn't have too much of a thick consistency. So your skin absorbs it really well. So it's great for all skin types. In my opinion, I love it for all skin types. It's not too thick and I have combination skin, so I can get really oily or I can get really dry really quick. So this is like that perfect balanced type of moisturizer for me. What's also great about this moisturizer is it has 20% vitamin C. So what's also great about that is a lot of pregnant women tend to get melasma or breakouts when they're pregnant. Melasma is a skin condition caused by hormones and it looks like a browning or darkening to the skin in certain areas. It can be around the lips, it could be on the cheeks, it could be even on the forehead. So it can pretty much be anywhere. For every woman, it's so different. Most doctors are okay with women using vitamin C when they're pregnant because vitamin C is not harmful to your body or your skin. This moisturizer has 20% vitamin C, so it's really great at targeting melasma or post-acne pigmentation. So while it's targeting that with that 20% vitamin C, it's still gonna be nourishing to your skin and it's gonna help your skin texture. So the last product I'm gonna talk about is the Banish oil. This is pregnancy glow in a bottle because this has vitamin C in it, it has glycerin in it, it has aloe in it, a teeny bit of witch hazel, and it also has rose hip oil. So the rose hip oil is a very absorbent oil on the skin. I'm actually wearing it right now and that's why I look super glowy. It's very absorbent to the skin. It's really great at helping with scarring and other anti-aging skin issues. So it helps with increasing collagen in the skin and tightening the skin a little bit. And what's really going to give you that glow though is that L-ascorbic acid, which is the vitamin C that's in here. That is what's going to give you the glow. So not only are you going to be glowing because you're pregnant, this is just going to enhance that glow and keep it going for those days that we just don't feel like ourselves. You know, we got morning sickness, we're always cramping, we always feel, you know, not ourselves. So it's really important to take care of our skin during this time and taking care of ourselves during this time so we can feel as good as possible. So I'm definitely on top of my skincare right now, and this is one of the products too that I usually go to bed in. I don't put this on in the daytime because it can be a little oily for me personally, but if you have dry skin, you might enjoy the glow. But for me at nighttime, I love it because right now, I feel like I look like a glazed donut and this is how I like to go to bed. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for being here today with me in this video. I hope you enjoyed these products and I hope we solved some of your pregnancy symptoms. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.